guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Lush Wig. So they sent me a Brazilian curly hair in 24 inches. This is a 13 by 6 transparent lace. The cap size that I got was a medium cap size, and the density of this unit is about 150. So if you want to see how this install turns out, stay tuned. So hey guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be sure to leave all the information for this unit down below in the description bar. So far I am loving this unit. I've been wearing this for the last couple days and so far I haven't had any tangling. I did had shedding, but come on, all hair sheds. But besides that, I am loving this unit. It is completely soft. It's not dry. The ends are not dry. It is really pretty. Thank you so much, Lush Wig, for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!